This is your astrological forecast for Friday, October the 22nd. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. Today, the sun moves into Scorpio. It is a huge energy shift today, and I'm going to talk more about it as soon as we become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. I do want to tell us our affirmation for the sun in Scorpio is spiritual warrior am I. From the battle I emerge triumphant. This will be our sun in Scorpio affirmation for the next month. And we are going to be working with our true selves, our purpose, and aligning with our higher self, our soul, our God, whatever you want to call it, and walking our talk. And that's what a spiritual warrior is all about, walking our talk. So, we will take our 3 deep cleansing breaths, and then we'll say the affirmation together. So let's take our first deep cleansing breath. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity flowing out of our bodies. In its place, we see ourselves being filled by this beautiful white light, made up of white light, love, and the will to good. This white light not only fills our entire body, but we see it going out and forming a protective bubble around us. This bubble we see deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle I emerge triumphant. We are going to say the affirmation and will stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle I emerge triumphant. Good work, good work. And we are going to be working with this affirmation, like I said, all month to help us get in touch specifically with our power. Now let's talk about this sun in Scorpio. The Scorpion energy is the most intense energy of the zodiac. This Scorpion energy is so incredibly strong. It heals and transforms, but it also destroys. There's no in between for that Pluto energy. Either heal, transform, or destroy. Pluto is about power. There is power in money, there is power in sex, there is power in status. This type of power is power over. Scorpion energy wants us to get in touch with our personal power, our heritage of our divine selves. We were seeded with the power necessary to create and to live a fulfilled, purposeful life. It's all right here. It's the keynote for the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. And that's what I'm all about, is helping us learn that it is within ourselves that we create the outer world. The outer world doesn't do it to us. Oh no. The outer world is that just there to help us get in touch with our true and authentic selves, our purpose, and our indestructible peace. This comes from holding our power consciously. We have in the past just given our power away, unconsciously, hopefully. We've given it away maybe in a toxic relationship where power of manipulation and control is used against us. Maybe it's been in a job, a dead-end job that holds our power. Why? Because even though the job sucks, we get a damn good paycheck. So basically, we have sold our soul. We've just given our power away just so that we can feel financially secure, so we think. Because the only security, really, is being at this indestructible peace within ourselves. And that doesn't happen from anything out there. So, all of this month, our power is going to be tested, just like yesterday with the moon in Aries. We have got to learn to reclaim our power and to hold our power consciously. This is going to look like us being challenged, our boundaries being challenged. Just from the whole week, people trying to manipulate and control our project, our career choice, whatever life change that we have been working on, that we are following through on finally. We are getting practical forward movement. We're experiencing success. We are feeling more aligned with ourselves. And there are plenty of those people out there, situations or things, who are more than happy to take our power from us if we allow it. So this month is all about holding our power, reclaiming our power. And there's nothing wrong with giving our power to someone or something else as long as we do it consciously. We do it with the job that we have. We have given our power over to that authority. We have given them power to determine when we come to work, how long we work, and how much money we're going to get paid for that work, and what our job description entails. But we've done that consciously. So that is what we are learning about this summer. This sun, that's what I meant to say, sun in Scorpio, reclaiming our power. And remember, don't forget, power used to manipulate and control, the avenues for that is fear. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can we be manipulated and controlled through fear? That is definitely power over. You know, people telling us that the world is going to end unless this or that happens. So that is power over. So we are observing this month, and we are conscious of our power, and we reclaim it if we need to. And we only offer it consciously. Another power over is sex or money, just like I said. Those powers are power over us being used to manipulate and control. So that is what we are getting in touch with this month. Oh, the good news? Oh, shoot, I almost forgot the good news is Scorpio. If we hold true to ourselves, if we are able to set healthy boundaries and protect our purpose, if we are able to find that indestructible peace, the energy of Pluto is going to transform us into our true, authentic selves. We are going to become more and more aligned with that. And with that comes feeling fulfilled, feeling purposeful, feeling like we're contributing, and feeling true to ourselves. And that is the bottom line of Pluto, is getting us to hold the power of who we truly are, this incredible divine being. Woohoo! Good stuff, good stuff. For our Friday. Our Friday sun in Scorpio. Oh, haha, I forgot to talk about Saturday. The moon on Friday is in Taurus. So that is that energy of status quo, and I'm not moving, and things are good enough the way they are. And I want to hold on to my paycheck. I want to hold on to my nice house. That's the energy of that moon in Taurus. So we are going to be challenged in those areas on Friday. On Saturday, the moon goes into Gemini. So things move up into our processing brain as we process everything that we've experienced this past week. It's going to be pretty crazy. There is a lot of processing to do on Saturday. But we are restless with that moon in Gemini. We are restless on Saturday. It's a good day to shake off the week, to shake it off and to go on a day trip, do something fun, communicate with some people we haven't talked to for a while. It's a great night. I don't know why. I just think they're so cool. Like those murder mystery dinners, it's a great night for something like that. That is so moon and Gemini. But we do have a nice energy for our Saturday, as long as we don't focus on the past week and everything that happened and everything we need to still to do. We have to process it. We're working with it, but Saturday is a time for time out and renewing and rejuvenating ourselves. Advice. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, I like it. Hidden path. The marriage of spirit and matter. Cool, cool stuff. Oh, yeah. Sacred journey. Life cycles. Family transformation. Nine of Hearts. Fulfillment, harmony, protection. Yeah, that's right. Wow. Kind of gives me goosebumps because we talked about it already, and Spirit's going to give us their little bit of wisdom. So, aren't these cards beautiful? Hidden path. The hidden path is aligning with our true self and our purpose and being a clear conduit for Spirit to work through us. If we are aligned with our true selves, if we are aligned with our purpose, if we are able to come to that indestructible peace that we experience in that quiet space of alignment, we can literally create and manifest exactly what we want. The marriage of spirit and matter. It is a clear, conscious co-creation. And then we have sacred journey, life cycles. This life change is a new cycle. And this moon in Scorpio is a new cycle. So we are going to be using this energy to protection of healthy boundaries. We realize we're moving into a new chapter of our life. We acknowledge it, we're conscious of it, and we take measures because we are responsible. We have obligations to our family. So as we move through this change, we make sure that we are setting healthy boundaries and we are supporting not only ourselves, but our significant others and our family as we go through the change. They may have some rough time with some of the decisions that we've made. So we're going to have to be patient, and we're going to have to protect ourselves. We're not going to compromise ourselves just because other people aren't happy with our decision. But we're going to see it as a sacred journey of moving through this process. And while we honor the other, we are not going to compromise ourselves. And then we come to fulfillment and harmony. As we move through this battle of the outer world up against our true, authentic self. And as we deflect it all, because we are at this beautiful, indestructible peace, we realize, wow, we did it. We have been able to find balance and harmony in our lives. And that is an experience that we are going to want to check in with on a regular basis. The more that we work with that energy, the more that it will become more and more significant in our outer world as well. So have a great weekend. Come see me on Soul Sister. Come see me. I had too many thoughts in my head. Come see me on Sunday for your weekly astrological forecast. That will come out on Sunday at 6 a.m. I almost forgot. If you haven't checked it out yet, the new Sun in Scorpio 15-minute guided meditation is out there for any of us who need some assistance in this area of quiet and centering. It's a great meditation because it's working on bringing all these energies that we have been working on introspectively these last couple of months, and using that Sun in Scorpio energy to walk our talk. Anyway, don't forget that, and come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel: life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great weekend. Have fun. Take a little day trip or check in with some of our friends we haven't seen for a while. Wonderful, wonderful energy. And make sure we keep ourselves fortified with our armor of love, abundance, and gratitude. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Sunday. Namaste.